So want a UK TikTok account? Watch this video before you create one. So first you click here location. After select country, United Kingdom. So search here United Kingdom. So I write here United Kingdom. So let's start and click here. Okay, now click on continue with Google. After this you see here your email where you want to create a account, so click on email account. After just wait. Okay, now you select here your birthday and then continue. Okay, now write here any name that you want to create, nickname. So then account will be created. So you go into TikTok Studio and check your account is United Kingdom UK account. So do not forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel, such more informative videos. Any information, any problem in UK account, contact me on this number, I will share here.